Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you guys for a couple minutes about termites, because this right here is just inviting a termite. When you stack wood next to your house, you're inviting termites in, but termites are not just going to attack your house from the outside of the foundation. If your house is attacked by termites, they could actually come up from the crawl space if you have one. So my house, we had a massive attack by 2 termite colonies, at least, maybe 3, and I've been battling them for at least 3 years. So yes, that sounds like a long time, but it's been a long, slow process to actually kill the colony. They attacked my beams in my house. It took a lot to get my mind wrapped around what we needed to do and get it done. Actually getting it done was pretty easy, just needed some muscle and a friend with some experience. So huge shout out to my buddy Tim. Did a great job helping me out with this. Thank you so much, my friend. I don't know what I'd do without you, but I'll drop some pictures in here of the finished product and a couple pictures of the before. Put one of them on the community page. Yeah, so what we did is we had to replace a 16-foot span of the beam, and what these are 2 by 8 by 16 boards. And what we did is we nailed the 3 of them together just like they had originally, but over the joint where the bad board met the good board, which one of them was right here and one of them was down there, we actually put an extra 2 by 8 scab on either side just to make sure. These I-beams, floor joist I-beams, what we did was some of them were slightly damaged from the termites on this eye right here. So what we did to reinforce that was we ran a 1 by up and then a 2 by on the outside, and we did that on either side of any beam that had any small signs of damage. So we had to do that on about 8 or 9 of them. Set the beams in, got our wedges ran, and we're good to go. A YouTuber whose name is Guy, his channel Guy's Pest or something like that. I'll try to put a link down in the show notes to him. Guy, this was you, man. Thank you for all your help and helping me actually address my termite problem at my house. It is a completed job. We had one stubborn tunnel that we finally were able to treat with the spray foam again and again and again and again until we actually got the colony. So just check today, there are no new mud tunnels coming up anywhere on the foundation. So my house is cleared. Now I will be treating the ground one more time. I'm going to do that forever. As long as I'm at a house, I want to be treating for these termites using the method that guy prescribed. So he told me specifically to me, he reached out to me and told me, I explained what I was having, where I had colonies attacking my beams, and of course as a fierce DIY guy, he gave me exactly what he recommended. These go on the outside. These are just little granules. I'm going to send you to his video because it's way better than I could do. But basically, this is the Bio Advanced Termite Killer. This is, I'll just show you guys. Get this stuff. This is good stuff if you need to. I treat every 6 months around the outside of my foundation. This stops the termites. So Germs Garage can continue being safe and sound because of good friends who helped restore the house back to structural soundness, and to Guy's Pest Solution. So thank you, Guy. I appreciate all your help and all your videos. Keep cranking out the content. This guy makes way better videos than I do. So you guys go, if you have a problem with pests, go over and watch his videos because they're pretty awesome. Y'all take care. Thank y'all so much. You can